Welcome back for another Agix price prediction analysis video, and on this video I will be discussing the short-term and also the long-term price action to expect here on the Agix chart for the next coming days. And at the time of this recording, you can easily see that Agix has seen a massive surge to the upside, breaking above significant key areas of resistances, flipping them back into support in a move that has now given us an all-time high above the 1.03768, in a move that has also continued to obey the Elliot structures. And by first giving you a recap of what has been happening based my analysis on the Elliot structures, you can see that back in 2022, Agix gave us these significant lows before we saw that massive bounce to the upside, giving us a high above the 0.67 in a move that I'm terming as the formation of this Elliott wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of the first wave, we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2 into our minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that we fully maximized, and we saw much of a consolidation within the area before we finally saw the breakout to the upper side, breaking above significant areas of resistances in a move that has now given us an all-time high above the 1.03768, and that was all based on the Fibonacci's, that is the trend-based Fibonacci, where I said to you in my previous videos that by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, the minimum target area for the third wave lies above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 1.18157. And what that means is that there are high chances that in the next coming hours, there are chances that we can see another surge to the upside, break above the significant high, which is the all-time high above the 1.03768, and a break above that significant high, then the 1.18 will be my next target area, so that we can fully maximize the minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3. And once we have a high in place in the formation of that wave 3, then we can expect a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 4, then continue gearing up even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. We also need to have an alternative scenario just in case we don't see Agix give us a break above the 1.037 with a bullish momentum to push the price even higher to fully maximize the 1.18, which is our minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3. In case we don't see another surge to the upside and maybe in the next coming hours we see much of a breakdown move, then using the Fibonacci's, we can have areas within which we can expect that pullback to get us back into and also find support. So getting back to the 4-hour chart and zooming in here on the charts, then using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low that we made below the 0.23918 to that all-time high, we can get a minimum pullback target area into the golden pocket between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the 0.64151 and the 0.54656. And this is the area that I have highlighted here on the charts. This is an area within which we can expect that pullback to get us back into, find support, maybe see much of a consolidation before we can see another breakout to the upside, giving us a new all-time high and also fully maximizing our minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3. But if by any chance we get a pullback into the golden pocket and maybe at some point we break out of the golden pocket to the lower side, then that will be suggesting a more bearish move where we can easily see a pullback to the 0.3 where we have significant areas of support. But for now, as long as BTC also remains to be bullish, there are high chances that we are going to continue seeing higher prices and possibly get above the 1.2 in the next coming hours. And that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Agix chart for the next coming hours and also days. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.